Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Balbi and today I'm going to talk about one of the biggest challenges that young people face today, stress and pressure. There are many causes of this problem. Young people have pressure from school, work, family and social media. They can also worry about their future, their studies and finding a good job. As consequence, stress can affect their concentration, motivation, sleep, in relationship. For example, a student who has many exams and assignments may feel tired, nervous, and worried. There are some possible solutions. Young people should organize their time, get enough sleep, exercise, and take breaks. It is also important to talk to family, friends, teachers, and through people when they feel stressed. In conclusion, stress is an important challenge for young people today. However, with good habits, organization, and support from others, young people can manage stress and have a better quality of life. Thank you for listening.